Hello manufacturer, precise motion is not assemble, it's actually engineer. Welcome to NSCDR Automation. We manufacture custom linear actuator in any dimension with specific stroke length, load capacity and mounting style exactly as per your application demand. These actuator converts rotational motion into precise and controlled linear movement in any automation machine, CNC system like packaging machines, any robotics or medical equipment, and also we supply its controller of up to 9 to 11 axis. We also provide its electronics and software based solution. So contact us for best linear actuator.